Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble a tattoo machine. So let's get started. First you undo the screw to the contact post. That out of there, plastic washer. Then undo the screws to the coils. Should be two washers on the other side. There they are. And undo this screw here. Plastic washer. There it is. Okay. Now your coils come right off. And oh yeah. Undo your last screw. This piece comes right off. Alrighty. Now you're down to just the frame. You can swap out your coils. Just have to make sure they're the right, length, width, between the frame and this piece. Or else it won't fit between there. I have just put a couple washers on in between here, this piece and the frame right here, hard to see, and that helps if the coils are a little too big. But I'll take this apart for you. Rubber band off there. And there's your everything disassembled. Alrighty, now I'll put it back together. I usually put this piece on top of this one. Actually, I'll put the washer and then the screw back in there. That makes it easier. Then I'll put this piece first, and then this piece, but make sure it's on the bottom of the other piece. Then you put your tension rubber band on there. I don't know what this stuff's called, but that's what I call it. Alrighty, tighten that down. Make sure it's all straight. Yeah, it's faster to disassemble than reassemble. Alright. You take your copper. I always start with the coils first when putting it back together. It's a little bit more tricky. Okay, bring this piece down here. That goes in the middle. Something like that. Hard to see. Okay, take your frame, coil screw, washer on the other side, coil screw, washer on the other side. I'll use the small one. Okay, take your coils, screw it in there a little bit. Okay, that's ready to tighten down. Alrighty. Now I'm putting this piece on down here at the bottom. Make sure you got a plastic washer on there so it doesn't ground it out. Take your other plastic washer, put it on the other side. I don't know if you can see. And then you put your part over that, and you want that making contact to this piece. Alrighty. Screw that down. Make sure the holes line up though. That's the trick. Okay. Now your contact post is the same thing as the other piece. You want your plastic washer on there so you don't ground it out. Put it on the other side. These are a little fidgety sometimes. And then you put your piece over that plastic piece so it's not grounding it out. And you want that making contact to the contact post. Give it its power. You don't really have to set that up just yet. You take this piece. Oh wait, actually, put your screw in there and then your washers first. Makes it easier. Okay. Tighten it down a little bit. Now the way I've got this gun, I actually put this piece in between my washers. I have two. You can see there. That kind of brings it out far enough from the coils so it actually works properly. And then you tighten it down. Make sure it's lined up. I don't know if you can see. That way when you put your needle on there. Alrighty. I'll set this up. Tighten that down. Okay. Now time to power it up and see how it runs. To adjust it first. That's about right. Running it 4 volts. Well, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.